You asked, how to divide 6241 by 3 using the long division method. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Bring down 2, making 2. 2 divided by 3 equals 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. 2 minus 0 equals 2. Bring down 4, making 24. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. 8 times 3 equals 24. 24 minus 24 equals 0. Bring down 1, making 1. 1 divided by 3 equals 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. 1 minus 0 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 2080 remainder 1.